very good afternoon to all of you. I, Ankush Sharma, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering in RP IIT Technical and Medical Campus. So today we will discuss the advantages of three-phase supply system over single-phase supply system. So let's start. So advantages of three-phase system over single-phase system. Now, three-phase AC system is very popular and being used worldwide for power generation, power transmission and distribution and for electric motors. So in previous video already discussed about the three-phase system and single-phase system. There are two types of supply system in our India, three-phase system and single-phase system. So our transmission, our generation and distribution, these are based on three-phase supply system. So here the first point is constant supply. So in single phase circuits the power delivered is pulsating, but in case of polyphase system or three phase system, power delivered is almost constant when the loads are balanced. So in three phase system is very important. If our load is balanced, then we will get almost constant supply of power. So this is most important point. Now higher rating, the rating of three phase machine is nearly 1.5 times the rating of single phase machine of the same size. So if the size of machine is same, for example, if these are the two machines of same size, this is operated on single phase and this motor is operated on three phase. The rating is same and size is same, but here the three phase induction motor will give more power as comparison to single phase, and this three phase induction motor is it's self starting, but single phase induction motor is not a self starting motor, but three phase induction motor is self starting motor. Now we will discuss the third point, power transmission economics. So to transmit the same amount of power over a fixed distance at a given voltage, three phase system requires only 75% of the weight of the conducting material of that required by the single phase system. So this is most important point if we see economically. So economically, if we are using single phase and three phase, then the three phase system requires only 75% of the weight of the conducting material as comparison to single phase. Now next point is superiority of three phase induction motor. So the induction motor have widespread field of applications in the industries because of the following advantages. So let's start. Now first is the three phase induction motor are self-starting, whereas the single phase induction motors have no starting torque without auxiliary means. So for starting of single phase induction motor, we required another windings or auxiliary means to start the induction motor, but in case of three phase induction motor there is no need of any auxiliary means because the three phase induction motor are self-starting motors. Now third point, next point is three phase induction motors have higher power factor and efficiency than that of the single phase induction motor. So the in case of output, the efficiency of induction motor, three phase induction motor is more as comparison to single phase induction motor. So three phase induction motor gives better efficiency as comparison to single phase induction motor, and it gives better power factor as comparison to single phase motor. So there is own importance of power factor. So basically power factor is the ratio of real power to the apparent power, and it's represented by cos phi. So always power factor should be greater. And what is efficiency? The efficiency is represented by neta, and it's ratio of output power to the input power, and it's ratio of input power to the output power to the input power. Now next, thank you very much. Please subscribe our RPIT YouTube channel and like and share our videos. Thank you.